Hello, Rio traders. Hope so. You guys are fine and your week is going very well. It's me, Suleiman Khan Niazi, and I'm very thankful to you guys for showing your love in our public groups. Actually, links are in the descriptions. You guys can enter in our public groups. So if you guys have any question about any trades and about any market, so you guys can ask from us on in the public group. So, and second thing is that in this video is very important for you guys. So I would say to you guys that you guys have to watch this video very carefully. Actually, who have watched our previous video, so I hope so that those guys have secured a very good pips, and I have tried my best to share a lot of good opportunities to you guys in my previous video, even for crude oil, even for gold, and hope so that you guys have secured a very good pips. So in this video I have opened a monthly time frame chart. So here in this video, firstly you guys can see on a monthly time frame chart about this impulse, low towards high. You guys can see a market is running and in between this impulse area. So firstly we would draw a Fibonacci retracement level to know the exact points that where market could go. So from the high, so we would start towards the low. We would extend it. Yeah. Now it's perfect. So you guys can see I have mentioned few levels with you guys in my previous video about these three levels: 60% retracement level, 50% retracement level, and 38% retracement level. So firstly I would give you a little bit idea. So above 61% retracement level, you guys can see a market a more and more bullish. So if market moves towards from here, if market breaks this area, then you guys can see a more bullishness in the market at least till this level 2080 market. And if market also moves below this level, as yes, this level 0.38%, so then we can also see the more retracement till 1450 level. So these are the two trades, possible trades. And now we would look on the weekly time frame chart. So there you guys can easily see about the market levels, that market is moving, how market is moving, that and where to put the trades. And so here you guys can see in my previous video I have mentioned a few levels with you guys. These three levels, 1680, 1727, and 1725. So I have mentioned with you guys that you guys have to open buy trades here 1725, and I hope so that you guys have secured a very good pips. And 1760 level, the most deciding level. Why I am saying that 1760 is a deciding level? Because if you look at on the Fibonacci retracement level, it's a 50% level. So above here, above, if market of weekly time frame, if market gives us closing above 1760 level, so then again we could look for a buy trades, and our target would be our targets would be at least this 1835 or 1836. It's below. So if market doesn't move like that, then again market could fall its next level, that is at least 1680. So these are two trades also for those people who are swing traders and who trades on the weekly basis. And now we will check out for daily basis, and here you guys would also see these trades are for intraday traders who trade on the daily basis. So I hope so that you guys have remember the areas. So here, if market gives closing in a daily time frame candle above 1760, you guys can see that on last day market moves a very good pips, are approximately 400 pips. Then after that market a little bit fall. But if market gives closing above 1760 level, then you guys have to look for a buy trade, and you have to look for a long-term buy trades also. So this is the important level, and this would be the deciding level. And also today there are a few newses. So if market gives a closing above 1760 level, then you guys have to look for a buy trade. So today closing would be also would be an important closing if market breaks above 1760, so you have to open buy trades. Otherwise you can again look towards sell trades, and again your targets would be 1725 at least. So if you look at on a 4-hour time frame, here I would give you the entries that have to enter in the market and where to enter in the market. So if on the 4-hour time frame you should look at, so here I would draw a few levels. Also I have drawn these levels in my previous videos on a daily on a, with if you guys have watched. So if you look at on a 4-hour time frame, so here we would draw one trend line. Yeah, and it's perfectly drawn, so you guys can see that market turns in 1833, then again market falls from 1828, then again market moves down, then again market falls from 1808, and again market falls from 1786, and now again market 1765 area. Look brother, how we know that market would fall from that area? Actually the knowledge will tell you that yeah, market could fall from that area, and that is 1762 was our Fibonacci retracement level, also 0.50, and market again sellers were in the market, and market again falls from this trend line area. So this you have to you have to make in your mind that if market gives us a closing at any H4 time frame, market gives us a closing above 1760 level, then you guys also have to look for a buy trade, and that trades would be intraday trade, not for a swing trade. So on the other side, if you look at on a more smaller time frame, on a 1-hour time frame, I would also try my best to give you the few more opportunities that how to be in the market. So if you guys look at on the 4-hour time frame, so right now there are two more levels. Market is running in between those level 1750, and on the upper side this is the area 1757. So right now market is running in between those areas, and moving up and down, moving up and down. So today there's a news of PMI, so and sorry, MOM and PMI, yeah, purchasing manufacturing index. So this would also gives you, and if market breaks this area 1750, so then again you can look for a sell trades, for a small sell trades, not for a long term sell trades. And firstly, if market breaks 1745, then again we can look for a sell. Otherwise the most possible opportunities are that because this area now turns into a support. Before that it was a resistance, now it turns into a support. So whenever market comes at 1745, you guys have to look for a buy trade. And the second thing is that the small selling opportunity is that whenever market breaks 1751 area, then you guys have to look for a sell trade, and your target would be at least 1745. And the next thing is that if market breaks 1760, then you have to open buy trades, and that buy trades would be long-term buy trades also. It's a possibility. So I hope so that you guys have liked this video, and kindly share it with your friends, and kindly tell us on a comment section, and also you guys can direct message to us on our public groups, and you guys can ask anything. I hope so that you guys would love this video. Thanks for watching it, and hope for the best. Stay blessed.